Welcome to YannYOga. Today is for the practice is for individuals who are long standing at work. So we're gonna be doing some gentle yet effective stretches on your calf, hip flexor, and also strengthen your spine. So by the end of the day, you will feel much relaxed and less tired on your feet and back. See you on your mat when you're ready. We're gonna begin by lying on our back in Supta Baddha Konasana. Both knees are bent, feet together, knees are pressing down to the floor. Spine are long and grounded, both shoulders to the floor. Your hips are external rotate. Next inhale, right leg straight, left knee bends, both hands hugging your left knees. To stretch your hip flexor on the right. With your left knee bent, we're gonna massage our feet, the sole of our feet, every inch of our sole, the best way to feel relaxed after a long day of standing. With our right hand, we're gonna bring our left feet to the right. Supta Machendrasana 1. Gaze to the left. A great way to calm your body and mind on your mind while strengthening your lower back. This is an effective pose to treat our lower back pain and to help with our sleeping. Slowly straighten our both feet. We're gonna lift our left leg up. Right elbow support your hand. Your left hand gonna stay on the ground to help with your balance. Anantasana to strengthen our upper abdomen. And then we're gonna swing our both legs to the side to our mat. Come into our Vajrasana, sitting on our heels. Invitation to use your block if you have knees problem. Slowly release both feet to the outer side of our mat, 45 degrees, with our hands, fingers facing the side of our mat. We're gonna place it under our heels. Malasana. A great way to release stress and tensions in your arms, your shoulders, as well as to massage your wrists and fingers. Knees are wide hip distance apart. External rotate your hip. Slowly come back down, facing the back of our mat. We're gonna do on the other side. Left leg are straight, right leg bent. Stretching our hip flexor on the left. Hugging your right knees. Stretch your left calf with flexing our feet. We're gonna keep our right leg bent and massage the soles of our right feet. Look at the texture, the colors while we're doing your massage. To promote our physiological and mental health, increase the blood flow to the different parts of our body. Left feet hugs your right knee to the left. Gaze to the right, Supta Machendrasana 1. The soles of our bent knee are contract and the left leg are moderately stretched. Both shoulders on the ground. Use a block to prevent jerking. Come back to the left side. Elbows support your head. right hands in front of our chest and lift your right leg. Both legs are engaged. Pull your kneecaps up. A great stretches for your quads from long standing. Slowly relax, belly to the ground, bend your feet, flex your knee. We're gonna come in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shorten your stand. Left hand gonna reach the outside of your right ankle or right shin. Parivirta Adho Mukha Svanasana. Gaze ahead. Hips are internally rotated. Give our hamstring a deeper stretch. Swap side. Right hand gonna reach the outer edge of your left feet. Twisting to the left. This is a great pose to stimulate our Manipura chakra, overcoming any fears or nervousness. From here you can find a wall. We're gonna do Paripurna Navasana with our heel on the wall. Sit bone grounded and navels in. After a few breaths, you're gonna meet me in Shavasana. I will call you when it's time. Bring awareness to our body. Move your fingers, your toes, and then give yourself a full stretch. Palms over your head, feet away from your head. You can change your interlace and give your other side a good stretch. Well done, guys. I hope all these flows giving you a good relaxation to your calf, to your hip flexor. At the same time, we strengthen our back. Come to your favorite side. We're gonna meet me in your cross-legged sitting positions. No rush. In your own time, with your next inhalations, we're gonna raise both hands to the sky. Inhale and bring all the positivity to yourself. Bring your palms to your third eye. To your mouth for all the good words you bring to everyone, to your heart all the loving energy you bring to everybody. I hope you have a good night's sleep tonight. Namaste. Subscribe if you like the practice, and you can click on the other videos if you enjoy this flow today. See you the next time.